Hello everyone, today I will show you how to lock WhatsApp on iPhone. And here's how it's done. First, you will need to open the Shortcuts app on your phone. It should already be installed, but if you have deleted it, simply go to the App Store, tap on Search, and search for Shortcuts to re-download it. Once you have it, open it up. Now, tap on Automation at the bottom. You'll be on the automations page. We are going to create an automation that automatically locks your phone when WhatsApp is open. Tap on Create Personal Automation. Scroll down and tap on App. Now choose WhatsApp by tapping Choose, typing in WhatsApp, and selecting it. Once selected, tap Done. Next, tap Next, and then tap Add Action. In the search bar, type Timer, then tap Start Timer. Set the timer to 1 second by entering 1 and changing minute to second. Then tap Next. Make sure you disable Ask Before Running. Then tap Don't Ask and press Done. Finally, open the Clock app and go to the Timer section. Tap When Timer Ends and select Stop Playing, which is at the bottom. Press Set to save. Now when you open WhatsApp, your phone will automatically lock. And that's everything you need to know about how to lock WhatsApp on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.